Today, I'll walk you through how to find deleted templates in Elementor, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to recover your lost templates so you can get back to designing without missing a beat. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access your WordPress dashboard. Simply navigate to your Elementor tutorials site and log in. This is like opening the front door to your creative workspace. It's where all the magic begins. Once you're in, look for the Elementor option on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on it, and then select Templates from the drop-down menu. This is where all your templates are stored, both active and deleted. Now here, where we start the recovery process. On the Templates page, you will see a section labeled Trash. Click on that. Think of this as your digital recycling bin. It's where all your discarded templates go before they're permanently deleted. After you click on Trash, you'll see a list of all the templates you've deleted. If you spot the template you want to recover, simply click on the Restore option next to it. This action is like pulling a cherished item out of the trash. It's back in your hands and ready to be used again. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will be similar. Just keep an eye out for the same options. To recap, we accessed the WordPress dashboard, navigated to Elementor, selected templates, checked the trash, and finally restored our deleted template. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to recover any deleted templates in Elementor with ease. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.